She hasn't checked a stock ticker in 3 days. Her portfolio is up 11% this year. And right now, the only thing on her desk is an open binder and a cup of coffee that's still steaming. This is the minimalist investor's desk. And what's missing from it might be more important than what's on it. Most investors live in chaos. 4 monitors, 12 browser tabs, a phone buzzing with alerts every time a stock moves 0.5%. They confuse activity with progress and noise with signal. The average retail investor checks their portfolio 14 times per day, according to a 2023 Fidelity study. 14 times. And each glance is a tiny invitation to do something, to buy, to sell, to panic. But the most disciplined investors in history operated differently. Warren Buffett famously said his favorite holding period is forever. Charlie Munger built his fortune on fewer than a dozen major decisions across 6 decades. These aren't people who lacked information. They deliberately chose to ignore most of it because they understood something counterintuitive. In investing, the less you do, the more you make. So what does a minimalist investor actually keep on the desk? Start with the portfolio binder, not a spreadsheet, not an app. A physical, leather-bound binder with 1 page per holding. This constraint is the point. If your entire portfolio doesn't fit in a single binder, you own too many things. Each page holds the original thesis, why you bought it, what would make you sell, and the price you paid. Nothing else. No daily price tracking. No earnings whisper numbers. Just the original reasoning, written in your own hand. Now look at what's absent. No second monitor, no real-time newsfeed, no Bloomberg terminal. The minimalist investor doesn't need a terminal because she's not trading, she's owning. There's a profound difference. Trading requires constant information. Owning requires occasional verification. Once a quarter, she opens the binder, reads each thesis, and asks one question. Has anything fundamentally changed? If yes, she acts. If no, she closes the binder and finishes her coffee. That coffee is not decorative, it's a ritual. The greatest investors all have rituals that slow them down. Howard Marks writes memos before making any major decision. Seth Klarman reads annual reports on paper with a pencil in complete silence. The morning coffee is this investor's version, a 10-minute window where she sits with her thoughts before the market opens, not to plan trades, but to rehearse patience. She sips, she breathes, she does nothing, and that nothing compounds. Here's the test that separates disciplined investors from everyone else. Close your eyes and describe your entire portfolio from memory. Every holding, the rough allocation, and why you own it. If you can't do that in under 2 minutes, you own too many things. The minimalist investor passes this test effortlessly because she holds exactly 9 positions. She knows each one the way a gardener knows each plant, its season, its soil, its temperament. The research backs this up. A landmark study from the University of California found that investors who traded the most earned annual returns of 6.5%, while those who traded the least earned 11.4%. That's nearly 5 percentage points of annual return destroyed by the simple act of doing something. The minimalist desk isn't an aesthetic choice. It's a 5% per year edge, hiding in plain sight. So look at her desk one more time. The morning light is warming the oak surface. Steam curls upward from the ceramic mug. The binder is open to a page with a few lines of handwriting, a thesis written 18 months ago that still holds true. Her eyes are closed. She's not sleeping. She's compounding. And the quietest desk in the room is producing the loudest returns.